Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be redoing my old squishy. If you didn't see my old squishies, I will leave the video in the description below, so you better go check it. Also, please don't mind this because I have some drawers here. Actually, this is my squishy station. But anyways, let's get into the video. First one, I got my mini hot dog and it is very bad. So yeah. And it is super gross. I got my jumbo one and it's a new one. You can see I don't color the back at all. This one is a watermelon and it's super defected, you can see from here. And it's not even squishy at all. This is the jumbo one and it's new one. As I told you, I don't color this. Another one, I got my small panda bun. It's not a bun, actually, it's just a panda. And it's also super defected, you can see it. The new and big jumbo one, it is super squishy. And it's very airy. You can see super slow rising. My last one is this, the rainbow cake. It's not actually that defective, but it's not squishy. My new one is this one, and I love it. You can see this one is small and this one is big. I removed the pink, as you can see, and I don't have any pink here, so yeah. So those were my 4 squishy redoing video, and I'm really sorry because I don't post. That's because we have exams and you know about the exams. But I just post this video for you, and I'm going to post another one, but I don't know when. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoy, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below if you want anything like a tutorial of my squishy and doing another vending machine or anything like that. Whatever you want, and yeah. Bye!